Hello, I'm Bill with Nakamoto Forestry. A few weeks ago we burned some 1x8s by the traditional Japanese process to make Yakisugi, also called Shou Sugi Ban. And today we're going to use an array of vinyl and wire brushes to knock down the soot layer and make our Gendai and Pika-Pika products. So let's get started and see how it plays out. Okay.
When you pull it back like that today.
What'd you say?
When you pull it back.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You want to try one? Whole thing. This is Bill again. We did a few experiments. We brushed the wood with wire brushes. We used a rigid vinyl brush, soft vinyl brush, natural bristle brushes, and we used with water, without water, and a rigid vinyl brush with long bristles and water on bias against the grain is the best way to wash the soot off. What we figured out is that the Cypress has a very thick late wood growth ring, and so the soot is very rigid, and we have to go at bias. If we get in line with the grain on our first pass, then it just doesn't look good. It's too chewed up. It looks wire brushed. I've seen products online that are brushed in this manner, and it just didn't look real great, but we mimicked that effect. In Japan, it's called arai, which means to wash. We tried it dry, and that is a bad idea. Thanks for joining us today. We appreciate your interest, and we'll see you guys on the next video we do.